you go in, the more it's gonna splash.
That's why I went in slow.
Yeah, and then
You gotta gun it once you're in it.
You straight though, Brett.
Yeah, I gotta try.
This is funny.
Go ahead, let me see how deep that one is.
Hey, every time we think it's not deep, that shit deeper than a bitch. And that one was sketchy for me.
Nah, it was.
You're already here, fool.
Yeah.